Hi guys, John here, Mr. Forex Fire. This is the Forex Fire Friday weekly vlog, and we are going to be delving deep into what has been going on this week. Now that I'm sort of finding my feet, what has been my approach to the stuff I'm doing, what goals I've set myself for further in the future, what I'm doing that is helping the team and the community and the channel that I have created, which is this. This week, or at least on the 21st, will be Forex Fire Discord, not as a brand itself. The Discord at least is going to be 1 year old. So it's happy birthday to the Forex Fire Discord. This as a brand, this me as a person, I've been trading for 4 years. For 3 years, I've been classing my journey as Forex Fire, because after the first year or two, I started seeing consistency and I wanted to help others. Okay, so happy birthday to the Discord channel. If you're not involved with that at this moment, head over to YouTube. You're obviously watching this on YouTube, possibly, and click on the subscribe, hit the notification bell, get all the goodness. And if you're getting value in everything that I do within this, I urge you to hit the join button. Now, there's going to be a reason you want to do that. Yes, it is a little bit of a support channel. It helps me create more content, drives me further on. However, the stuff that I'm going to be doing, it's going to help me that little bit more with having that support. You can come in at 2 different entities, which is a Spark or a Fire. Okay, the Fire is going to give you full access to this sort of stuff, and it's going to be fantastic, guys, with the stuff that's moving forward. So that's the housekeeping out the way with how has the week gone and what are we doing. Let's take a look. Just going to share the screen, guys. So I want to talk a little bit about Fidel Crest. Okay, as a lot of you are aware, again, I've been trading for the 4 years. First couple of years was possibly up and down, just like anybody's journey. Stuck with it, stuck with the process. Knew it was for me. Like a dog with a bone, didn't want to give up. Had many fingers burnt along the way. I've met many friends, and I'm still in contact with those friends. I've seen a lot of people come, a lot of people go, but I've seen a lot of people stay in and around and close to the stuff that I do, and I love helping everybody. Okay, so over the last 6 months, more certainly, I've been looking into prop firms. I do 3 accounts. Okay, one is a live account of my own. It's a small account. When I say small, it is small account. I tend to try and flip the money and generate a little bit of income with that. The other 2 is this one here, the Fidel Crest, which we're going to speak about now. The other one will be the FTMO, and I've got a lot to talk about that one in the next minute or 2. So this was on the preference. I got given a challenge, okay? And it was only a small challenge. It's 5,000, okay? I do this on a week-to-week basis, the Fire vlog, and I enjoy it. I got a free 5K challenge with these guys, and it was based upon having to attain 5% on the first stage. We done that. We ended up with 8.11. Okay, we completed that, and then they give you a fresh account. You've got to attain 5% the second time round. I've done that. It's being monitored at the moment. The chart, the trades, it's in review. I have passed it. Just waiting for these guys to get back to me in the next few days. What will happen is they are going to pay me half of the profits of the second stage. So unlike any other firm, these guys, even though you're in just stage 2 to get the verification, any profits you make during stage 2, you'll get a percentage of it. It is only 40% at the start. Okay, don't let that deter you. It's still a nice little bit of money in the back pocket there for qualifying and passing the second stage. But once you go and get the account verified, nothing has been sort of broken on the violations, you will then get a 70-30 split here on in. So I've been speaking to these guys today. They put the contract into review. There was nothing violated. So I know that because you can monitor everything on your report and things like that. So we were passing that as well. Okay. And again, guys, if you want to see links, there's links in the description below where you can get signed up to these and take the challenge. Okay. They've got phenomenal customer support, but also at the moment they'll give you a certain amount into a wallet where you can put it towards a challenge as well. So again, it's good to get in on this while you can. Okay. Now we're going to go over to FTMO. We're going to have a little bit of chat on that. What's happened, where I was at, what I'm doing moving forward with it. And then at the end of the video, I want to talk a bit more about the other stuff that I'm going to be doing. Okay. So that's the Fidel crest. Now I had a little bit of a slip up yesterday. FTMO, I basically got until the 21st of September, okay, which is, for some reason, I always do these challenges where they end at the beginning of a new trading week. I should know better. I've technically only got today, Monday, which I hate trading Mondays, and then we've got Tuesday, which is a turnaround Tuesday. I do not want to rush into this. I was around about $300 from getting the first stage pass. Unfortunately, I got slapped like with a wet trout straight into the face. Now you're going to see that. You're going to see why it's like a kick in the teeth for us, this bit. You can see I've been profitable throughout. Okay. I've been profitable throughout the whole process. And then yesterday, bang. Quick reminder that you've got to respect the markets. All's not lost though, guys, simply because we're in profit. Okay. Now it's a tall order to get the 2.5 grand in the next 3 days, simply because Friday, there's not going to be much movement. Monday, there's not going to be much movement. And I'm not going to put all my eggs into one basket. Reason being, I'll get another roll of the dice. Haven't failed this. Okay, we haven't failed it. We learn from it. Again, the kicker for me was the fact that I was having this growth. And again, I'm open, I'm honest, I give always full of integrity, and I give value. So we just need to be patient with things. You can see at the moment, I'm around about negative $21. Again, still going to continue to trade on this as long as I stay within the parameters and stay on the trading side of it and keep it within the allowance of the loss and the max loss. Okay, guys, you never know. We might get lucky. I might get through it. But again, I don't think I will, going on what I've been sort of getting on a day-to-day basis. We need to get, what, 900? I've got to get nearly 300 a day, if that, and I'm not chasing it to make mistakes, to be honest. Now, this is going to bring me on to something else, okay? As you're well aware, we've been doing the Forex Fire 1 minute fire scalp, okay? And I've been testing that, and there's a playlist on my YouTube channel. If you look anywhere on my YouTube channel for the 1 minute scalping sessions, I've been doing that live throughout this week. And I'm starting to document what I've been doing through the week. Again, I don't hide behind anything. I've been showing you on a video, not only trading live and showing you on a video, I document this. A lot of these other sort of groups and things like that will just show you a spreadsheet. I'm showing you exactly what I do, the process, and everything that goes into it. For this week, based upon the 1 minute fire scalper, we've had a growth of 12.79%. Now, I don't use that strategy in with this at the moment, okay, because that's something I'm testing, something I've used before just for the quick in and out trades. I use divergence on the 1 hour, 4 hour with this in conjunction with smart money. Okay, this sort of stuff. What I am thinking about doing is from next week, I'm thinking about trying to do a trial demo with FTMO and using this sort of stuff as a demo. However, I've tried doing a little bit of it today. It's a bit hard to sort of do the analysis at the same time, try to get in on the trade, set the parameters. So I'm going to try my best to do not just the live session. I'm going to try and get in on trades while we're on there, and then we're going to document it at the same time. Okay, guys. So I've got a lot of stuff going forward with it, and if it's successful and we can see it working with that, I'm then going to try and incorporate some live proper live sessions with a select number of people on the videos with me, and then going over the process for that. And again, it is coming up to the first year, the first birthday of the Forex Fire Discord. We've been calling myself and Brandon myself as Forex Fire for 3 years, been trading for 4, but the first year coming up to the 21st on this. Okay, so I just want to say a thank you to everybody that stays in and around everything that I do and has seen my growth from when I first started out. I wouldn't be putting this content together if it wasn't for you guys, most certainly. Okay, I just want to maximize that. So I really wouldn't be doing this content if I wasn't driven, if I wasn't pushed on from you guys watching this. Okay, what I want to ask, and this is a big favor that I want you guys to do. Okay, for the guys that watch this, please, if you watch this, even if it's only for a minute or two, comment in any YouTube video I do. It just helps the algorithm. Okay, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, if you've clicked on the join and you've become a supporter and you're at the spark level or even the fire level, I'll reply to everybody on there on a more one-to-one basis. Okay, you'll get that as a perk. And then moving in over time as we start doing these live sessions that I'm pre-recording as well, because we do 3 different things. I do the Forex Fire Friday weekly vlog. Okay, so that's an end of week rundown of what I've been doing throughout the week, which is what you're watching now. The second one is I do a daily vlog on a live session trading that I'm doing. Okay, and from there we heading into, certainly next month, I'll be looking at possibly bringing maybe 1 or 2 people on to maybe a live session to see what I'm looking at and get their thoughts as well. So that could be something that I do, but that'll be further down the pipeline. Okay, so my name's been John. I hope you have enjoyed this week's session. Bit of a kicker in the teeth that I slipped up yesterday on my FTMO, but hey, I don't dwell on things. I use it as a learning curve. We have another throw of the dice if I'm not to get that $900 profit by Tuesday. Again, when you see the growth that I thought, yes, I've done it. But again, it just shows you have to be patient. You have to do your analysis and double check everything. Okay, guys. So again, thank you very much. Happy birthday at the Forex Fire Discord, and I'll see you on the next Forex Fire Friday weekly vlog. Thank you very much, guys.